Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic. And in this video, I'm going to be looking at the best learning management plugins on the WordPress platform. What are the leading ones? What are some of the key things you need to know in the beginning of 2025 that will help you choose the right solution for your membership e-learning solution? Got a ton of experience in this area. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. So I'm coming back, folks. So you're looking at WordPress, you're looking at a learning management plugin. There's a number of them on the market, and you're having some difficulty choosing the right solution for you. Which is totally understandable because you've got a lot to choose from. The main thing I want you to understand is that choosing a learning management plugin for your membership or e-learning platform is the real right solution. And this isn't a bad problem because there's some fabulous solutions on WordPress at the beginning of 2025. So don't fret. Also, I've got a ton of experience here, so I should be able to guide you on the real basic differences that you need to know. Obviously, you've got to do your own research for your particular needs and requirements, but I should be able to help you here. Now, number one, you've made the right choice at looking at a learning management system plugin rather than a membership plugin. I personally don't really see the point of buying a membership plugin, but that's linked to the learning management system plugin that you decide to utilize. And that might sound a bit puzzling, but I will give you the reason why it isn't in the next few minutes. But let's start with what I think is a great solution for the entrepreneur trying to start their membership business on WordPress, and that's Lifter LMS. Now, Lifter is like there's a group of about, first of all, there's about 6 to 8 learning management type solutions that are out there that I would say anybody could consider. But of that, to my opinion, there's only 3 real leaders, and Lifter LMS is one of those. Um, you could argue, is it the top one? Or I think that's difficult because it really does depend on the individual requirements that you have. But I would definitely say that Lifter LMS is in the top 3 and could be reasonably argued that it's the top one, especially for the individual entrepreneur. It's got a ton of features. One of the most attractive elements to it is that it has a free level, and that free level isn't really crippled. You can really do a ton of stuff with just the free core of Lifter LMS. The one thing that you would need is that if you're going to sell memberships, sell subscriptions, and the majority of you, if you're an individual entrepreneur looking to build a membership type business, you probably are going to want to sell subscriptions, that you're going to need an add-on plugin from Lifter that will enable you to connect Lifter with one of the leading online payment providers, which is Stripe. And if you're starting on this journey, I would strongly advise you to start with Stripe, connected to any of the other learning management system plugins that I'm going to talk about in this video. Now, the good news is that that plugin, add-on plugin, will just cost about $130. So it's not ridiculously priced. And they have packages. Um, they have one called Earth, another one called Universal Package, and they have their all-embracing Infinity Bundle um, that supplies a host of added functionality through the add-on plugin model. But if you're starting out, all you need is this Stripe add-on. It comes with a quiz builder, course builder, lesson interface. Comes with a host of functionality. And I just think it's fabulous value for the individual entrepreneur. Plus their support and community support that they offer is top of league, basically. I know no other um, learning management plugin that offers so much support and community support as their particular plugin. Another one that's really still really dominates the market is LearnDash. And LearnDash, one of the reasons why it still dominates is that it's a good solution, but it was the first learning management system plugin that was introduced to the WordPress plug platform, and it's kept updated, and it's still a very good system. Some people say that its interface UX design is a bit better than Lifter LMS. I personally don't see too much in it myself, and I think they both have good UX design. So I'm not persuaded that either of these two you could choose one. I think it's really driven by personal taste, basically. Now, one of the fundamental things you got to understand is that you're going to need a membership plugin to work with LearnDash, because if you're going to teach subscriptions, you can do it natively in the LearnDash plugins using their internal group system. It's not fantastic, folks. It's confusing and it's not that feature deep. Most people, if they're going to take subscriptions, they're going to have to utilize a membership plugin. Now, the good news is there's a host of really good membership plugins out there. Me personally, if I was looking at the features of LearnDash and I really liked it, I personally would utilize a membership plugin called SureMember, and that works with another service called Surecart, and that really gives you a very powerful and flexible platform to build a kind of one-click purchase where you're going to have the opportunity to do upsells and downsells and give you all the sort of modern flexibility that you're looking for at a very realistic price. That's the combination I would utilize. You can also use it with WooCommerce as well. And LearnDash gives you a free plugin, add-on plugin that will work with WooCommerce. The only problem with that until recently is that you had to buy the Woo subscription plugin to work with Woo. And that was about $200 to $250 per year. But then now there's some solutions out there that are free, and they are actually better than the Woo subscription add-on plugin. But to keep it simple, I think SureMember with LearnDash. Now, can you see the problem? You're having to add two add-on plugins to get basic subscription functionality with LearnDash. With Lifter LMS, you just buy one add-on, end of story, and you can buy subscriptions. It's not, it's just a few small loops to jump through, basically. It's there. That's why I like Lifter LMS so much for the individual entrepreneur that's starting out, because you've got a lot of balls in the air here. and going for the most simple solution, I think, is going to really be very beneficial to you. The final one in my list in this video, and I want to point out, I've written an article, you find a link in the description, that goes through a lot more options, the leading ones on the market. I'm just going through the three main ones in this video because I don't want it too long. Like I say, you'll find the link in the video description, plus it will have all the prices of everything I discuss in this video and all the additional information that you need. Like I say, that's in the description. The final one is Tutor LMS. It's gained popularity because it's got a free version like Lifter LMS. I would say in UX design, it's got the most strongest of the three. It is, in my opinion, a bit better than Lifter LMS and Learn Dash when it comes to the UX design, how it seems a little bit more modern. The core functionality is no really difference between all three of these that I'm talking about. And its UX superiority is there a little bit, but the other two aren't that worse. It's just a taste thing. It's not going to make much difference to your students or be enough difference to make your students not to want to sign up for your course. So it's there, but I'm not going to overemphasize it. But another factor is, like I say, you've got the free product like Lifter LMS, but the thing is that they don't have this inbuilt ability to work with Stripe that Lifter LMS has. What it works with mostly is with WooCommerce, and the problem until recently is that if you wanted to take subscriptions, as I've already said, the WooCommerce is free, but you have to buy the subscription add-on, and that's a couple of $100 plus a year. That's probably reduced because there are now services that work with Woo that you don't have to buy the Woo subscription add-on plugin. So things are changing. So that element, which was a negative to it in my mind, is going away a little bit, but you still have to, that it will work with other systems and other membership plugins, but it's there. So they're the three. To summarize, they're all very good systems. If you're looking for the most simplest setup to get you going, I have no hesitation in recommending Lifter LMS because with just one add-on, you can just get it to work with Stripe. You can do, and it has an inbuilt subscription engine inbuilt that's really easy to set up in Lifter LMS. The other two, you're going to have to use a membership plugin. With LearnDash, I'd highly recommend SureMember. With Tudor, you're going to have to use Woo. You can use WooCommerce with all three of these solutions as well. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Hopefully I've given you some information that will help you with your selection. Got any questions, put them in the comments. I do read them and I will answer any genuine question. Also, if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, ring the bell, and really think about subscribing to the channel. That really does encourage me to make more of these videos, and it shows YouTube that I'm doing something right. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.